And now for our final problem, problem number 30, with it proceeding with find customers who have used both discounts and coupon in their rentals. Include the customer name, discount name, coupon name, and the total rental count. With the SQL code being shown right here, I will now begin the explanation, which this query identifies the customers who have used both discounts and coupons in their rentals. It provides the customer's name, discount name, coupon name, and the total rental count where both were used together. The SQL code works like this. Selecting column, which is the first name as customer name, last name as customer's last name, which retrieves the first and last name of the customer, and the discount name, which retrieves the name of the discount applied to the rental. Then the coupon name, which retrieves the name of the coupon used for the rental. And the rental details ID as total rental count, which counts the number of rental transactions where both a discount and a coupon were used. Then, joining the tables, with rental details is joined with customers using customer ID to get customer details. Billing is joined with rental details to link billing information to each rental transaction. Then discounts is joined with billing using discount ID to identify the discount being applied. Then coupons is joined with billing using coupon ID to identify the coupon being applied. Then the filtering conditions, where discount name is not null and coupon name is not null, which ensures that only rentals where both a discount and a coupon were applied are included. Then the grouping and the aggregation, which group by customer ID, discount name, and coupon name. Groups the result by customer, discount, and coupon to calculate the total rental count where both were used. Then having the cause, having count rental details ID less than by 0, which filters the result to only include customer who have used both discount and coupon in at least one rental transaction. Which, in conclusion, that this query helps to identify customer who take advantage of both discount and coupons, which can be useful for understanding customer behavior, promoting and combined offers, and designing targeted marketing campaigns. The same as problem number 29, problem number 30, I cannot provide the proper output for problem number 30 with the same reason as problem number 9, which is lacking in time and resources. What can I only provide you is what the output should look like by showing you right here. This should be the somewhat closely on what the output should look like by using this SQL query code. And with that, all problems from problem number 23 to problem number 30 were answered in this video. And that's all for today, and have a nice day.